Peter here, and if you found this page, you've probably got one of the roadmaps for each step, or maybe you got the whole term map, or maybe you just found me. Anyway, I'm Peter Rawlings, founder of the M5S method, the AI Revenue Accelerator, and this is unlocking six, and seven-figure growth, the exponential profit multiplier. What I see in the industry is you see so many people. Well, I don't care if it's marketing agencies, coaches, consultants. A lot of marketing agencies now, they're trying to sell you AI, and AI is just a tool. Okay. And that's what I want to kind of get through to you here through this. But the exponential profit part of this, I want to break down to show you what actually is going on with marketing in your business and if you want your business to grow. So, we're going to break this down. This proven framework drives revenue by optimizing three core areas: marketing, sales, and the customer experience. And watch what happens when you apply this to your business. So the M5S method, this is the entire roadmap. Okay. If you join the program, hopefully you do. Let me just go back up here a second. Foundations. We got to get AI to get you used to that installed into your business ASAP. When you join the program, we go through the audit of your business, existing business. We have to go through your mindset and vision, where you want to be, what's, the struggles you're having. Not everybody's going to have the same issues. Okay. So some might be revenue, some might be time, whatever the reason. We're going to go through that in that initial roadmap, and, we'll go over the call too with you. When we go over the call, we go over your roadmap, where you want to be in 90 days. And I give you a ton of value in that, whether you join the program or not. But mindset and vision, we have to have a target to shoot for. Then we're going to go over your perfect client, making sure that you're attracting the right people into your marketing. You don't want nobody wants pain in the butt clients. And then the $1 million message is basically how you put your words together. It doesn't matter if you're talking or whether you're writing, how you attract those clients. Then we go into the client acquisition machine. That one is super powerful. You'll literally have the basis of hundreds of strategies to market your business from that, all from your genius, your knowledge. We're going to draw the expertise out of your head. And then AI profit igniter. Once we put those first 4 stages in place, when we start really dialing in the AI into your business, that's when you really start to see things changing here. Systematization and ROI, getting systems in place to make your life and your job and your business easier. Always going for growth and profit. Then we have velocity, the last stage. We have foundation, automation, velocity. We have profit and growth. Profit and growth. We're going to be reviewing everything too, but you're going to see here in a second when I get into referrals, how we can grow with your existing assets that you have right now. Stability and scale is the next one. And then we have infinite growth blueprint. So all of these things grow through the M5S program. Okay. And I want to go down here, and you're going to see why I put that last part in there, the infinite growth blueprint, because this is actually going to, this calculator that all you have to do is make a copy. It's on Google Sheets. You can play with it to your heart's content. But what I want to do here right now is we're going to bring this all back to 0. Only change the yellow numbers. Okay, so step 1 is the number of clients you get per month. Now, it doesn't matter if it's 100 or if it's 1, whatever it is, you put it in there. And I'm just going to go with 100, average profit per client. And let's just say 100. And step 3 is the number of referrals per month. So we got marketing, that's your AI and how you're generating leads. Your sales process, how you're generating, and there's tons of stuff improving sales, but we're going to try to increase the average dollar value of your sale. And then customer service, being so damn good that, you get people referring you all the time to other friends and family and whatever. And it could be Google reviews too. So we do that in the AI part too. And then step 4 is this actual profit increase of your business. So the number of clients coming in a month is 100 a month. Average profit per client is $100. And then you go referrals per month, you have 1. So let's just say you're in the program. We improve your marketing, let's say by 10%. We're going through the program and we improve by 10% here, sales and profit. So instead of $100, let me just slide that down a little bit. You're now bringing in 110. And we get our customer service so good that, you know what? Hey, you got another 1.1 referrals. You just increased your profit, your new revenue by 39,000 bucks on that, 33%. If you go 20%, 20, oops, back, 20%, 20%, you've now got a 72% increase in profit. That's why, Grant Cardone, if you've ever seen him 10 times, 10 times, 10 times, it's small improvements for exponential profits. It really is. But you're working. That's why the program kind of covers all three of these steps, between AI and the consulting part is making sure your systems are in place that you can be incrementally improving everything all the time. So you've got a 72% increase now. What happens if you just nail it and you're able to increase by 50%? So instead of 100 clients coming in, you got 150 a month, and you increase your profit. So you're, upsells, downsells for everybody coming in. You might be able to get a bit more. You get it to 150, and you're so damn good at what you're doing that people just scream, work with this guy. That's a 237% increase, a $285,000 increase from 120,000. Ask yourself how much that website that the people are saying, oh, you can build it yourself. How much is it costing you? Marketing is more than just having a website. It's the message and the systems that go in behind it. The average customer, your sales and profit, you're not training your sales staff to, have the strategies to be able to close more sales. That's where the difference is, guys. That's a 237% increase. Now you got 1.5, a lot more people coming in. Like, the numbers don't lie. And again, play with this yourself. Make a copy, Google Sheets. But let's go really out on a limb here and say you did double it. Nothing about Grant Cardone's 10 times. You just need to double everything here 2 times. You got a 700% increase, 840,000 new revenue created. Yes, you're going to have a lot of headaches along the way with staffing and fulfillment and stuff like that. But those are the critical 3 to be concentrating on when you are running a business. And that's, you go back up to the program I'm doing. I'm going to go back down here for a sec. Just last statement here, most business owners leave thousands or even millions, depending on the company, on the table by simply ignoring 1 or maybe 2 or even 3 of these key areas. Now you have it, and see the exact system, figure that. Go plug your numbers in and see what's possible. And stop leaving your profits on the table. Book your roadmap call right now. You just have to click here, and that will get you over to the booking page to get on the calendar with me. And we'll go over, where you are right now, do an audit of your business. Right now, it's absolutely free. I'm not charging anything for it as I get this program up and running. Going back up here, that's why the M5S method, mindset, market, message, the medium you're going to use to share it with people. And then we get into AIs. Then we got M5S, there's 5 M's, 5 S's to get this going. Anyways, guys, that is the program in a nutshell. Play with it, book a call. Let's see if we're a good fit to work together. You might not think, I'm a good fit to work with you, and vice versa, because I have to be selective about the people that I'm bringing in the group, because I really want a great bunch of people in here. Anyways, guys, thanks for listening. I'm Peter Rawlings, and have a great one.